What's the meaning of blistering? Blistering. Blistering.
Blistering. Blistering. Blistering can be used to describe a few different things, depending on the context. Generally speaking, it means something is intense, extreme, or fast-paced. For example, a blistering pace would indicate that someone or something is moving very quickly. In the context of music, a blistering guitar solo would refer to an especially intense and impressive performance. In terms of weather, a blistering heat wave would imply that temperatures are extremely high. The term can also be used in a negative sense, such as to describe criticism or rebuke that is harsh and scathing. So, in summary, blistering typically denotes intensity, speed, heat, or harshness.